The NYU Game Center is one of the best game development programs in the whole world, and so we get people from all over the world that come here and learn how to make games. This is the NYU Game Center library, and there's a whole long history of games that have already been made, so they can go back and reference it and get ideas from it and see what paths have been tried. What we're providing is pretty unique in the sense of these people have a really strong practical education about how to make games. We provide this role of expertise and guidance for people that want to understand how to make sense of games and how to do something with games. All right, we win. As a university, the knowledge collection is really kind of central to what we do, and so one of the great ways to build the industry is to support smaller game companies. We got PlayStation, PlayStation 2. The incubator program helps anyone who applies and gets into this program to come here to study with us, to get funding to make their game, and then we connect them ideally to publishers or to crowdfunding or some other sources of funding so they can grow those studios kind of naturally and organically. Games are culture. They're like movies or books or music or plays, and so people are now coming to New York City, to the Game Center, to the culture here, to the community here, to make games that they couldn't make in other places. There's this connection to culture here, there's a connection to the world in New York City that you're not going to find anywhere else.